You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
So we find ourselves here back, if you remember, Baby Jake's Pizza. But next door is the Cornerstone where they sell ice cream. Pretty good ice cream. Did I say ice cream? Ice cream, and it's all from what the sign says, Hershey's ice cream. And I'm gonna go up there and get an order. We're gonna get, little lady and I are both gonna get like some cups of ice cream. We're not gonna do cones or anything like that, so let's see what happens. Little lady is going over to take a seat while I stand in line. Very good ice cream here. Hi, can I do half and half on a medium?
On medium for
cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of them would be banana pudding and let's say black cherry.
Banana pudding, black cherry. All right. When that was in a cup, you said?
Yes. Both of them are in the cup.
Both.
Yeah.
All right. So I have the black pudding and black cherry. You wanted that together.
Right. And then the other one would be strawberry cheesecake, and we'll go with strawberry cheesecake. Superman.
Superman. All right.
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
No, ma'am.
All right. The total's gonna be 901.
901.
Alright, and then if you could just real quick.
Thank you.
Let me know what it tastes like.
So now we just go to the other side and we wait. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
That's a far drive.
Black cherry and cheesecake, Superman and I can't remember. Yeah, once again I got Superman and I forget what this one is. Can't remember. Superman is staying on my finger.
I like this.
So, other than that one, and that one, Maverick.
Yeah, this place is pretty popular here in the Davison area. Rightfully so. It's a great place to hang out. If you can find parking. If there's no parking in the parking lot, you got to go across the street. I think this is cheesecake. Does that taste like cheesecake?
Yeah.
Did I get 2 orders of cheesecake?
Yes, I did. I like this. They're good.
Current temperature in this part of Michigan is 90 degrees. It was a little warmer earlier, but no better day to get ice cream. Why not? I'm gonna get some more napkins.
Wait, here.
So Maverick was all stressed out because he's like,
Much better. Melts very fast. Yeah, it's not really about the ice cream, it's more about the experience where you're at. This is one of the great places to be when you're in Michigan, here in Genesee County. Yeah, so that's that. Short video. Great place, good ice cream. Very nice. That's all for now.